Original steering wheel, isn't it? I just seen it.
Bakelite. It's a
Bakelite, is it?
Bakelite steering wheel, yeah. It's a 4-speed manual. Still got the original seals.
No overdrive.
No. Yeah. Still got the original seals on it. One owner from, it was in a family for 53 years, 54 years.
In Arizona.
Still got drum brakes all round. And that colour, when they finish with the promotion, they Fender guitars, you know, the electric guitars.
Oh yeah, Fender.
They give them the
that colour. And what's that springtime? Was it?
Springtime yellow.
Springtime yellow. Yeah.
I washed it the other day. It got really hot. I'll give it a good wash, and I'll wash it at night when it's cool. And all I do is wipe it down with Maguire's and that. But I put a polish on it, a good polish. It's still got the same seals on it.
Yeah. You brought it over?
No, it came over, and then I brought it. Yeah, Arizona, yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, I've got some parts here. That's the gearbox done. And it painted blue in that. That's underneath.
Okay. Springtime yellow.
Yeah, built in San Jose, California, and spent its life in dry desert climate, Arizona. Example of the worthily solid and well preserved paint.
It's a 4-speed manual.
Is it?
Crash box.
Crash box, is it?
The previous model to this with a different engine in was purely crash box. This technically had synchro mesh on second, third and fourth, but fourth into third works, so the rest don't. It's worn, it's old.
Double D clutchy tool.
Oh yeah. Pause on the way up, double clutch on the way down.
Is that the exhaust?
£400.
£400, blimey.
We went there and they made it to fit. Because obviously the one that was on it was nothing like what it should be.
But did they copy the baffles the same as the original? No.
The exhaust pipe went. It's one of them round things. I had two made, one for the other car. So it cost me £800 actually.
Well, you got
because
another...
I've got another one that needed an exhaust, so I took this one in
Well, same
And they
as
did a
this.
flexible. No, it's a different engine, so they put a
Yeah.
flexible pipe on, and it's been back twice for them to cut it a bit more. But I've fitted it now, so
Yeah.
I can now hopefully start it when the electrician's finished.
Were you a mechanic then?
Sorry, no,
Well,
no. Had one of these. Had one of these when I was 19.
Oh, crikey.
Yeah.
It ain't rich people see bad things are in this country, never happened, does it?
There could be a new train.
Yeah.
Had the roof down and put the windscreen down, then you're off into the fields, and then with nothing, you're just sitting there,
Yeah.
just hanging onto the steering wheel. It's just they're a lovely.
I suppose the Ford and the Willys were much alike, really, weren't they? Were the same engine, were they? Or?
Same engine. They're all interchangeable parts, so they're actually identical.
Yeah.
Almost identical, but the chassis is slightly different. There's some parts that you can spot and you can tell it. Yeah, that's a Ford.
Have you had this one long?
It was imported in from America as a complete wreck in 2006. So I bought it then,
Right, you've restored
and
it.
they've restored it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's taken. I got someone else to do because all the top hat sections underneath had rotted through and that kind of thing. And the engine had it, and the bits were missing and all this.
Still get the spares, can you? Get spares, all right. Yeah.
You can get spares now, but you're
Pay a lot for
trying to
them.
get original spares, which is what I was looking for at the time. But you can't. They're very, very rare, and they are expensive now. But what people do is they buy a Jeep, and it's all corroded through, and then they can buy from the Philippines a complete body kit. So you get the tub, the wings, and the bonnet, and the windscreen, and it all fits together. And then they just hoik off the rotten old body top, and then
And you
just
get the other on.
and once you find that, you know that wing is made during the war, because Ford stopped making Jeeps in 1945.
Oh,
July, August time, they stopped.
Stopped
Didn't make
making
any
them.
more. So if you find a stamp on it like that, you know that wing's an original wing. So you look at the grille, and it's got an F mark there.
and that.
Which then you know that the grille is an original Ford grille. Yeah, it's just taken a long time to gather all the parts.
Yeah.